FlexClip video editing tutorial for beginners step by step. What's up guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily use FlexClip online video editor to create cool videos for ourselves. Basically it's not that hard, so here we are on flexclip.com on our homepage. And let's have a quick tour. Basically, after creating an account, you'll come to this page, and in the left side we can find all the information about our account from this page here. Also, we can manage our payments. We also have like home page where we can find our recent projects and also different templates we can easily use, like most popular, Mother's Day, promo and sale. So there are a lot of different categories we can easily use, and all of them are available for free. Maybe some of them are for paid version, but you can easily use a lot of different templates for free. If you'll come to my projects area, we can find a lot of stuff. Firstly, we can basically manage all the projects here and add a new folder to organize my templates, where we can save different templates, but this option is available only for like paid version. And the stock video, where we can find different categories with free stock videos we can use. So let's try to create our own video. Let's click on create a video in the left top corner, and here we need to choose like mode, what would like to create video for YouTube, maybe for TikTok, Instagram, or maybe for Instagram posts. So there are a lot of options we can use. I'm going to use like 16:9 resolution, and I'm going to use timeline mode. So let's click on get started, and we'll come to our editor. Basically, first step we are going to do is just to import some media. So let's click on browse, and I'm going to use something from my desktop. Let it be 2 of this video with nature. I'm going to click on open, and in a few seconds everything will be downloaded and we can now easily use all this stuff. This is our editor. Let's have a quick tour. In the left side we can find different templates we can easily use, as I already showed. Our media folder to interact with media. Also, let's add, for example, this photo to show that there is like options to add not only videos, we can also interact with audios, photos and videos of different files. We can also record our voice using FlexClip, so it's pretty cool. We can add voiceovers or do some other stuff. Text area, from this page we can easily manage all the text. We have like different templates, different social media templates, some other templates we can simply use for free. Subtitle, where we can create auto AI subtitle, which is pretty cool. Video area, where we can find like different stock footages we can use. Photo, also like stock. Audio, elements and the overlays. From the elements area we can simply add different shape, social stuff, cherry blossom, like all the different categories, and the overlay of course. So let's try to create a new video. I'm going to add my media right up here. So all we need to do is just simply drag and drop it on our timeline. As you can see, our video was successfully added. Also, we have like player here to find how does our video look like. So now we can just simply click on play and our video looks like this. Also, what I'm going to do is just to add another video. So also just click and add. We can simply add the transition here between, just simply click on this place and then just choose the necessary transition. So we have a lot of options. Also, we can change the duration to make it smoother or do some other stuff. I think this one is pretty cool. So I'm going to change the duration. Also, I'm going to make it maybe 5 seconds each to make the short video about nature and how does it change. So let it be like this, for example. And I'm going to zoom in the timeline to make it easier to interact with our video. So now our video looked like this. I'm going to turn all the audio. So just nature with a sun, and in transition there is a rain, forest right up here. So let's add text. I'm going to add a text. I'm going to use something simple. I think that this one is pretty cool. Let's use like a basic text. So just drag and drop. or maybe click, and our text was successfully added. Now we can change the duration. Here we can input the text, let it be like sunny weather. So we can change the styles if it's necessary. Let's add a glow, so we can change the blur, and now our video looks like this. So we have like sunny weather, and then we have a rainy forest. So let's add the same text. I'm going to add it right up here. I'm going to place, and also I'd like to change the duration, and now I'm going to change it like rainy forest. So now it looks like this, sunny weather, and then it will be like rainy forest. But what's necessary that we need to do is to make add this style. So I'm going to click, and here I'm going to add a glow. So now it looks like this, sunny weather, rainy forest, which is pretty cool. Also, let's try to add something at the end. We'll go to video, and we'll try to search something related with nature. So let it be, for example, after the rain there should be the sunset maybe. So let's try to add the sunset, but I want to find something, maybe this one here. So let's try to drag and drop, and also we are going to change the duration in a few seconds. I'm going to set it to the 5 seconds, the same. So in order to change the like zoom of the timeline, we just simply need to interact with this part here. So also I'd like to add the transition, let it be this one here, and the duration will be like this. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So now our video is almost ready, but the last thing I wanted to add is to add the same text I added like on the previous things. I'm going to add it here, change the duration. So as you can see, these steps are quite simple, and I think it's pretty like easy to interact, but I don't know why I cannot add the text. So let's try to delete it, and then I'm going to add it once more here. So yeah, everything is good now. And sunset. Also I'd like to add a glow, and now our video looks like this, like the first weather, sunny weather, then it's like a rainy forest, and now it's a sunset. Looks pretty good, you know. So let's try to export. Let's click on export, highest quality which is available. Let's click on export, and in a few seconds everything basically is done. If we want to export it in the highest quality, we just simply need to buy a paid plan. So let's try to view their plans. And as you can see, $9.99, $6.99 as for us. So this is a way of how can we use FlexClip.com as a beginner for video editing. Hope guys this video helped you out. Leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.